Hey YouTube, it's Bonitarebel. I am here today with another hair review, and this hair review is from SUNBER hair. They're very known on YouTube. And before we get into the hair, go ahead and follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you guys can know when I am, putting out new content, since YouTube want to act stupid. That's fine. But anyways, so yeah, they sent me a 20 closure, a 22, 24, and 26 body wave Brazilian, and it came in natural black. And I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful this hair came out with me just bleaching it once. It came out like a pretty brown, ginger brown color, and I was so surprised I didn't have to use dye or anything, and it just came out this color. I'm not keeping it this color, but I just wanted to show you guys. I may do like a more like an orangey, look, or I don't know, I may do orange or red. I don't know, but the closure came out really good. It came out really brighter than all the rest of the hair, but it did not like shed or lose any hair, or it didn't make it, ugly after bleaching. It is still nice. So that means if you want to bleach your hair, looking for hair that you can bleach and then dye, this is totally the hair for you then, because this is like thank you. Hi, how are you doing? This hair is great. I used the 40 volume developer and I used the blue bleach. I don't have it with me at this time, but it's the blue bleach and it's very popular. A lot of people like that. So me bleaching this hair, I was like, okay. I only lifted it for like 30 minutes and then washed it out, and it came out this color. So like I said, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how silky it is and how nice. It's no damage, it's not dry. So if you're looking to get hair that you can bleach or something like that, definitely get this hair. Like, definitely get it, you guys. Definitely get it. And you guys will see me process it a different color. Leave it down below what you guys think I should process it like. The hair didn't even come with didn't come out with like nothing, and I'm just like surprised. So yeah, you guys can see I blackened the roots just a little bit, but that's pretty much it. That's all I really did with it. And look at the ends. No smell, no breakage. Look at it, it's just like silky. It came out great. Look, that's it. And I just washed the bleach out and conditioned it once, and then that was it. I didn't wash it with no shampoo, and I didn't do no extra stuff to make it come out this silky. It just automatically did. So this is some good hair that you can process. So I will be doing a part 2 for this video to show you guys what color I'm going to be doing, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. It's like a neutral cinnamon brown color with my hair. I know some of you may not like it, or some of you may like it, and I'm just like, I don't know if I like it, or I don't know if I do like it. It's very different, like very different, and it's just silky. Usually when you bleach hair, it ruins it, but I'm telling you, this is how it came out of the bleach. So I made the wig, so I'm gonna dye this and come back to you guys within a week, and leave down below what color you guys want me to do, like a bright color, no purple or nothing. So came out like a cinnamon color, and I just thought it was so pretty. It's like the same complexion as me, and I just go orange brown. On YouTube, go ahead and like and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me. Go ahead and hit me up on all my social media platforms. There it goes right there. And make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on the notifications, please. Turn it on, turn it on.